Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Alex, and I'll be taking you through some of the new drawing tool improvements that we've made to Harmony 24. So we'll start by looking at the new improvements that we've made to our brush tool. Let's have a look. So if I have my brush tool selected, under my tool properties, I can click here to open up my brush properties. At the bottom, you'll notice that we now have our randomness settings. So we can actually use these sliders to adjust and control how the randomization of our textures are applied to our brush. We did this to give artists a lot more control in order to create some really nice natural looking brushes within the software. And I'll actually utilize one of the new brushes that I created, the 4B, to finish up the sketch on the screen. Now that we have a nice sketch to work with, I'm going to clean it up using another feature that we've added to Harmony 24, our Symmetry Guides. So under your Guides tab, you'll notice that we have your perspective guides at the top, and underneath we now have our Symmetry Guides. If you click here, we can see we have access to our dual axis symmetry, our horizontal symmetry, and our vertical symmetry. I'll add a vertical symmetry guide. On screen, if you have a brush tool, a pencil tool, or any of the drawing tools selected, you will see your guide appear. You can move this guide around and rotate it to the angle that you need. If you don't like the orientation, you can hit Ctrl-Z on your keyboard to set it back to its previous orientation, and then you can go ahead and start using it. Before I do, I actually want to use a pencil for the cleanup, and we've actually added improvements to our pencil tool as well. So let's have a look at those. Selecting my pencil, opening up my pencil properties, I can see I now have the maximum and minimum opacity sliders. I can use these to adjust the opacity levels of my pencils now in Harmony 24. I can also click here to open up my opacity properties. This is where I can choose or define how the opacity levels are generated, whether it be by the pen pressure, the tilt or angle of the pen as you're drawing, or the speed at which you're drawing at. So let's now use a pencil and the Symmetry Guides to clean up our drawing. So as you can see, we can also utilize our stabilizers with our Symmetry Guide to speed up the process of cleaning up our characters even more. So those are just some of the new drawing tool improvements that we've made to Harmony 24. If you wish to read up on them, please visit our website, www.docs.toonboom.com. Thanks for watching.